Hi, everyone. Brandon Vandenburg hopes to never stand trial again. He and Cory Batey are both free after their convictions were thrown out in the Vanderbilt rape case.
Tonight, new developments. One day before a key status hearing, Nick Barris gained access to the criminal file and uncovered exclusive details about what's next in this high-profile criminal case.
So much is really still in the air. A second trial is scheduled for here at criminal court in November, but based on what I learned today, there's no guarantee that is going to happen. When Brandon Vandenburg and Cory Batey walked out of jail, most figured it was only a matter of time before they returned. Their convictions were tossed because of juror misconduct, but damaging evidence remains. Prosecutors in June said they aren't backing off.
I expect this case to go to trial.
I think the number one motivation for the district attorney's office is to see to that justice is done.
But NewsChannel 5 legal analyst Nick Leonardo says there are challenges. The defense will likely ask for a change of venue, citing publicity over the case.
And I can't think of a more appropriate case for something like that to be granted.
This is the Vanderbilt case file. In it, Vandenburg's attorneys asked to dismiss the new indictment, citing double jeopardy. We've also learned defense teams may ask to try Vandenburg and Batey separately. If granted, that's an issue. Remember, there are two other defendants, Jaborian McKenzie and Brandon Banks.
Then potentially there could be 4 separate trials with jurors from different locales.
All this, of course, creates potential for a plea deal. Would Vandenburg and Batey consider it?
I believe the first time around, these individuals were probably not willing to entertain accepting any jail time. But having sat in jail for a while, having a taste of what's out there and seeing what the state can do with the case, they may be more than willing to entertain a settlement offer.
But would the DA do that? Based on the first trial, we know that he has a strong case. We know that he has an alleged victim willing to go through it all again, so it's hard to imagine him cutting any type of deal. It may depend on what the judge decides on these key issues. In Nashville, Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
Judge Monty Watkins will likely hear arguments on the defense's motions at tomorrow's hearing. If he grants any of them, there's a good chance the trial will be delayed. We, of course, will be there in the courtroom and have a full report.